Lesson 10. Geometry. Leena has made a rangoli. She has drawn many shapes in it. Can you identify them? There are lines, curves, circles, triangles and polygons. Where else do we observe such shapes around us? Some basic geometric figures. 1. This is a point. It shows an exact location on a plane. It has no length, width or height. It is named here as point A. 2. This is a line. It is made up of a series of points which extend endlessly in opposite directions. Hence, it is infinite in length and cannot be measured. It is named here as CD. It is denoted as CD. 3. This is a line segment. It is a finite part of a line. It has two endpoints. It is named here as XY. It is denoted as XY. 4. This is a ray. It has one starting point and extends indefinitely in the opposite direction. It is also a part of a line, but cannot be measured. It is named here as PQ. It is denoted as PQ. An angle. Two rays having a common endpoint form an angle. The two rays that form an angle are called arms of the angle. The common endpoint of the arms of an angle is called the vertex of the angle. The symbol is used to denote an angle. The unit of measuring an angle is called degree. The symbol for degree is this. Angle XOY or angle XOY. Arms OX and OY. Vertex O. Name of an angle. An angle is named by three letters of its arms and vertex. The given angle can be named angle AOB or angle BOA. An angle can also be named on its vertex, so the given angle can be also named angle O. Example 1. Name the given angles. A. Angle XOY or angle YOX or angle O. B. Angle PQR or angle RQP or angle Q. C. Angle CDE or angle EDC or angle D. Measurement of angles. The sweep between the arms of an angle gives its measure in degrees. To measure the angle in degrees, we use an instrument called protractor. A protractor is shaped like half a circle and is divided into 180 equal parts called degrees. It has a baseline, a center, and two scales. The inner scale reads angles opening in the anti-clockwise direction. The outer scale reads angles opening in the clockwise direction. Steps for measuring an angle. 1. Place the protractor on the angle such that the center is over the vertex and baseline is over an arm of the angle. 2. The angle is opening anti-clockwise and arm on baseline is on the right side. So, we use the inner scale to measure the angle. 3. Place a finger on 0 of the inner scale on the right and move it anti-clockwise to the point where the arm BA of the angles crosses the scale. Read the number on the scale carefully. The arm touches the scale at 55 degree. So, angle ABC is equal to 55 degree. Example 2. Find the measurement of angle XYZ using a protractor. A. Place a protractor on angle XYZ such that its center is on vertex Y and baseline on arm YZ. B. Since the angle opens clockwise, read the outer scale. Note the reading where arm XY crosses the outer scale. See, the arm crosses the scale at 110 degree. So, angle XYZ is equal to 110 degree. Answer: angle XYZ is equal to 110 degree. Types of angles. Angles are classified on the basis of their measure in degrees. 1. An angle exactly equal to 90 degree is called a right angle. It forms the L shape and is denoted by a L mark. 2. An angle that measures between 0 degree and 90 degree is called an acute angle. 3. An angle that measures between 90 degree and 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle. Example 3. Check if the given angles are less than 90 degree, more than 90 degree or equal to 90 degree. Then write the type of angle. Angles which open less than 90 degree shape are acute. Angles which open more than 90 degree shape are obtuse. Types of angles. Angles are classified on the basis of their measure in degrees. 1. An angle exactly equal to 90 degree is called a right angle. It forms the L shape and is denoted by a L mark. 2. An angle that measures between 0 degree and 90 degree is called an acute angle. 3. An angle that measures between 90 degree and 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. Acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle. Example 3. Check if the given angles are less than 90 degree, more than 90 degree or equal to 90 degree. Then write the type of angle. Angles which open less than 90 degree shape are acute. Angles which open more than 90 degree shape are obtuse. Construction of angles using a protractor. Example 4. Construct an angle ABC is equal to 45 degree on the inner scale. Steps of construction. A. Draw a ray BC of any length. B. Place the protractor on BC such that point B matches the center and baseline falls on BC. C. Let BC lie on right side. Then the angle will open anti-clockwise. So, angle will be measured on the inner scale. Keep your finger on O of the inner scale and move it to the point exactly between 40 degree and 50 degree. Mark a point A here. D. Join A and B and extend BA to form a ray. E. The angle formed is angle ABC is equal to 45 degree. Example 5. Construct an angle PQR is equal to 60 degree on the outer scale. Steps of construction. A. Draw a ray QR of any length. B. Place the protractor on QR such that point Q matches the center and baseline falls on QR. C. Let QR lie on the left side. Then the angle will open clockwise. So, angle will be measured on the outer scale. D. Keep your finger on O of the outer scale and move it to the point at 60 degree. Mark point P here. E. Join P and Q and extend QP to form a ray. F. The angle formed is angle PQR is equal to 60 degree. Polygons. A simple closed figure made up of only line segments is called a polygon. Polygon with 3 sides. Polygon with 4 sides. Why are the first two shapes not polygons? A polygon is named as per the number of sides it is made up of. A 3-sided polygon is called a triangle. A 4-sided polygon is called a quadrilateral. A 5-sided polygon is called a pentagon. A 6-sided polygon is called a hexagon. Triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon. If all sides of a polygon are equal, it is called a regular polygon. Regular polygons, irregular polygon. Types of triangles. On the basis of length of sides, triangles are of 3 types. 1. Equilateral triangle, a triangle in which all 3 sides are of equal length. 2. Isosceles triangle, a triangle in which any 2 sides are equal in length. 3. Scalene triangle, a triangle in which all 3 sides are unequal in length. On the basis of angles, triangles are of 3 types. 1. Acute angled triangle, a triangle in which all angles are acute. 2. Obtuse angled triangle, a triangle in which one angle is obtuse. 3. Right angled triangle, a triangle in which one angle is right. Types of quadrilaterals. 1. Square. All sides in a square are equal. All angles in a square are equal to a right angle. Opposite sides in a square are parallel. 2. Rectangle. Opposite sides in a rectangle are equal. Opposite sides in a rectangle are parallel. All angles in a rectangle are equal to a right angle. 3. Rhombus. All sides in a rhombus are equal. Opposite sides in a rhombus are parallel. 4. Parallelogram. Opposite sides in a parallelogram are equal. Opposite sides in a parallelogram are parallel. 5. Trapezium. One pair of opposite sides is parallel. If 2 lines or sides are parallel, they never meet. A circle is formed when a curve moves around a fixed point at a fixed distance. The fixed point around which a circle lies is called the center of the circle. Parts of a circle. Radius. The fixed distance between the center of a circle and any point on the circle. Diameter. A line which touches a circle in 2 points and passes through the center. In the circle above, radius is equal to OA is equal to OB and diameter is equal to AB. We observe that diameter is equal to AO plus OB is equal to 2 times radius or 2 multiplied by radius. Hence, we can say that diameter is equal to 2 times radius and radius is equal to half multiplied with diameter. Chord. A line segment joining any 2 points on a circle. Here, PQ and AB are chords. The diameter is also a chord and the longest chord of a circle. Circumference. The length or perimeter of a circle is called its circumference. Circumference is equal to 22 over 7 multiplied with diameter is equal to 22 over 7 multiplied with 2 multiplied with radius, where 22 over 7 is a constant. Example 6. Find the diameter of a circle if its radius is 2.5 centimeter. Diameter is equal to 2 times radius is equal to 2 multiplied by 2.5 is equal to 5 centimeter. Answer 5 cm. Example 7. Find the radius of a circle if its longest chord is 4.6 centimeter. The longest chord of a circle is equal to diameter. Radius is equal to 1 by 2 multiplied by diameter is equal to 1 by 2 into 4.6 is equal to 2.3 centimeter. Answer 2.3 centimeter. Example 8. Find the circumference of a circle whose diameter is 14 centimeter. Circumference is equal to 22 over 7 into diameter is equal to 22 over 7 multiplied with 14 is equal to 44 centimeter. Answer is equal to 44 cm. Example 9. Find the circumference of a circle whose radius is 21 mm. Circumference is equal to 22 by 7 multiplied by 2 into radius is equal to 22 by 7 into 2 into 21 mm is equal to 132 mm. Answer is equal to 132 mm. Example 10. Find the diameter of a circle whose circumference is 11 centimeter. Circumference is equal to 22 over 7 into diameter. Diameter is equal to circumference divided by 22 by 7 is equal to 11 divided by 22 over 7 is equal to 11 multiplied by 7 over 22 is equal to 7 by 2 is equal to 3.5 centimeter.